Crypto mixer exchange still laundering funds post-shutdown, TRM Labs warns. Crypto mixers. Exchange. Market. Despite removing its public presence, eXch's backend remains active, allowing cybercriminals and illicit actors to continue laundering funds through its sophisticated mixing pools. Journalist. Hassan Shittu. Journalist. Hassan Shittu. About author. Hassan, a cryptonews.com journalist with 6+ years of experience in Web3 journalism, brings deep knowledge across crypto, Web3 gaming, NFTs, and play-to-earn sectors. His work has appeared in Author Profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 8 hours ago. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Despite its official shutdown announcement, the notorious crypto mixer exchange continues to function as a laundering channel for illicit funds, according to a damning new report from TRM Labs. On April 30, 2025, a day before eXch was scheduled to go offline, the platform removed all public-facing infrastructure, including ClearNet and dark web domains. However, TRM's investigation reveals that the platform's backend, specifically its API access, remains operational, facilitating ongoing fund movements consistent with its signature mixed pool laundering model. TRM links eXch to major cybercriminal operations, including the Lazarus Group's record-breaking $1.5 billion Bybit hack and child sexual abuse material, CSAM, threat actors. eXch's architecture, a laundering engine hiding in plain sight. TRM Labs analysis shows that eXch's so-called shutdown is largely superficial. While the exchange's website interfaces were disabled on April 27, its API infrastructure remained active and interacted with on-chain assets. On April 30, TRM observed new transactions mimicking previous mixed pool behavior patterns, particularly exposed to CSAM-related funding. The core mechanism behind eXch's obfuscation lies in its proprietary mixed pool architecture, which breaks down deposits and combines them into liquidity pools that make origin tracing almost impossible. This approach functions similarly to cryptocurrency swap services, allowing users to swap one token for another while depositing their tokens into pools reused for unrelated withdrawals. As a result, a BTC deposit from a threat actor could easily fund a legitimate user's withdrawal, thereby blending illicit and clean funds. TRM found that eXch has already been exposed to over $300,000 in CSAM-related funds, and this exposure is expected to rise. Even more alarming, the same exchange infrastructure was used simultaneously by CSAM-linked actors and Lazarus Group operatives, suggesting that the former group's funds provided liquidity to launder the Bybit hackers' assets. While eXch outwardly positioned itself as a privacy-focused platform, it consistently obstructed attempts to uphold accountability across the ecosystem. Following the Bybit attack, eXch refused to comply with fund freezing requests, withdrawing all public disclosures about its coin liquidity. This decision drew widespread criticism across the crypto industry, especially when other platforms were rallying to assist Bybit in freezing and recovering assets. A history of denial, rebranding, and mixed signals. eXch's history of controversial activity began long before the shutdown. On February 23, 2025, the exchange denied laundering funds for the Lazarus Group on the Bitcoin Talk forum, admitting only that an insignificant portion of Bybit's stolen funds had passed through one of its addresses. The platform claimed that fees from the transaction would be donated for the public good, downplaying the scale of its involvement. Yet blockchain investigators offered a more troubling picture. On-chain analyst eXch accused eXch of laundering $35 million from the Bybit hack. In contrast, others like Slowmist and Nickbacks from the Security Alliance estimated the exchange processed $30 million in laundering volume. Bybit's assets dropped by over $5.3 billion after the theft, including $1.4 billion in Ethereum. Even as evidence mounted, eXch continued to stonewall. It resisted Bybit's request to freeze the remaining stolen assets, even sending emails expressing frustration over perceived slights in previous interactions. The situation became murkier in late April when eXch abruptly suspended operations on April 27, citing unspecified law enforcement actions. Hours later, the suspension notice disappeared and the exchange resumed operations. On April 28, it announced a leadership transition. A new team will take over the infrastructure from May 1, while the original team will remain consultants. One recommendation from the outgoing leadership was to implement dedicated liquidity pools to mask connections to past operations. Whether this is a sincere attempt at reform or merely a cosmetic rebranding effort is still unclear. However, the remaining API access suggests that threat actors can continue using eXch as anonymization tools, undermining its public claim that it is unwilling to launder criminal proceeds. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. XRP price prediction. Should you sell XRP in May? Here's what analysts expect next for Ripple. XRP price ready for comeback. Analysts see bull movement and strong potential for upward trend. XRP price prediction. Whale activity signals massive $10 breakout soon. Cryptonews reports. May 2025 altcoin outlook. SUI, meme coins, and AI tokens expert predictions. 2 days ago. By Olga Primakova. Blockchain news. Trump wants China to stay out of the crypto space. 14 hours ago. By Shalini Nagarajan. Bitcoin news. Arthur Hayes, U.S. unlikely to buy Bitcoin due to debt and bro stigma. 2 days ago. By Amin Ayan. Best crypto to buy for 2025, top crypto to invest in. April 15, 2025. By NSS, Tavares. New cryptocurrency to invest in May 2025. April 18, 2025. By NSS, Tavares. 13 best crypto pre-sales to invest in 2025, full pre-sale list. March 3, 2025. By Medkilikudi. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in May 2025. April 13, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 16 hours ago. By NSS, Tavares. Next crypto to explode in 2025, 14 next big cryptocurrencies. September 11, 2024. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 19, 2024. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? August 28, 2024. By Ben Beto.